Hello. So this application called Attendance Break Report will give you a report of your employees and when and how long the breaks that they are taking. So you can add the start date and the due date. You can also select your employees. You can also get individual reports or a combined report as well. So let's see how that works. So first we will go to employees, and under employees we have a new tab over here. A new menu over here called attendance break timing report. So we'll click on that, we'll open this, and we have a wizard over here where you can add the start date and the end date. So as soon as you add the dates, you will be able to see all the employees that they are working and have their attendance between these dates. If you want separate reports, you can also enable this option and get separate reports of individual employees. Once you're satisfied with this, if you want to remove any employee, you can do so as well, or if you want to add any, you can add that as well. You can click on print, and you can see we have the option here to download the XLS file. I'll open this, and here there is. So we have this employee, the check-in time, the check-out time. The person didn't take any break, so we do not have any break for that. For this particular employee, we have the check-in time and the check-out time, the time of the break, which was 34 minutes, checked in again and then checked out, and then we have the total hours and the total breaks. Similarly, for this particular employee, we have the date, check-in time, check-out time, took a break of 1 hour 30 minutes, check-in time, check-out again, and then you have the total hours of the break that they have taken and the total number of breaks that they have taken. So if you have 2 breaks, it will be 2 hours and the combined hours will be 2 breaks, number of 2 breaks, and the combined hours will be visible over here. And all the check-in, check-out times and the start date and the end date is visible here as well. So this is how the application works. So if you also want separate reports, you can enable this option, and I'll just add it again so that I can show you the separate reports as well. I'll enable this and I'll print this. So here you can see you have separate reports. We have separate sheets of individual employees. So you can have a separate report of your employees over here as well. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we'll get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.